Assalamu alaikum, dear teacher. Hope you all are doing well. I'm going to make this video for your guidance, and I assume this will really help you to make the most of IXL. You know, IXL has updated some of the functions it has. Particularly, we will talk about Spark Studio today. You know, AI has been incorporated in IXL right now. So what you could do if you want to make some step down and step up activities for your students, you have very good option here to get yourself equipped with the required tools. It not only offers lesson planning but also adjusts the reading level, rubric builder, email draft, lesson planning, reading quiz, and text scaffolding. What are you supposed to do here? You just need to go here, lesson planning, if you want to make a step down lesson or something like that, or maybe scaffolding or adjust the reading text level. So you just need to select this option here. Once you select, you have to tell what do you want to teach. For example, reading comprehension. I want to teach my students reading comprehension, particularly reading comprehension. Author's purpose. Particularly, I want to teach my students author's purpose. Author's purpose. Okay, so I'm gonna decide select here the level of the students. So you just need to identify grade 5, grade 6, or whatever it is. You just need to select it and then ask generate button. Once you click on generate button, it will not only give you a specific plan for teaching students the particular objective, but also some more options to enhance the understanding of the lesson plan. For example, look at this. This is the complete lesson plan it has made. Understanding author's purpose in reading comprehension, objective, students facing objective, warmer, instruction, guided practice, independent practice, and differentiation. Support students by extension ideas. Furthermore, you may make an exit ticket for the same topic too, or generate conceptual understanding. So once you click here, you will have an option. It will also create an exit ticket to make sure that you have achieved particular objective in today's class. So what I would suggest, you can make the most of these options to cater your students need accordingly. One more thing you can do, for example, you want to draw you want to make some rubric builder. So you just need to go here, rubric builder. For example, you want to make rubric for grade 3 and the assignment title is paragraph writing. Paragraph writing. Paragraph writing. And particularly you are working with narrative paragraph writing, so you may write down here narrative paragraph writing. Narrative paragraph writing. You want to guide, for example, I just want to add here, include all the essentials of a particular comprehensive paragraph. So I'm gonna write here, include all the aspects of a comprehensive paragraph. Okay, now how many performance level should be the rubric have? So I'm pointing out here 3. You may select 3 or 4 as well. So I have selected particularly 4. You may have option 3 and 4. Now generate. Once you click on generate button, it will give you in complete rubrics, in no time. So take a look at the rubrics. You will find all the essentials here. Use clear topic sentence, supporting details, organization and sequence, writing conventions, conclusion. So you notice that within no time you are equipped with a very great tool where you can work particularly for the students, particularly for the students enhancement in sense of a step down. These are only some aspect. As I have earlier shown you, you have other tools here. For example, you may go to adjust reading level, and you just need to give the text to this, particularly any of the text. For example, with the main streamline students, you just need to copy the text here and then select at what level you want to make it adjusted, and then generate. So it will give you a particular version of the original text. So these option, I assume these options will really help you to enhance your understanding. Hopefully this video will help you, and I will be able to see some of you or all of you to use the same for your classes. Thank you so much. If you find something difficult or you need further assistance, you may contact directly to me and you will find me really helpful. Wish you all the best.